Hi guys, my name's AJ. I operate the camera for Community Natural Foods. I'm also a chef, and I'm also a YouTuber. I have my own YouTube channel called The Food-Dee, where I teach people how to cook. Community has asked me to make videos for them while we're all in isolation and working remotely. So I'm going to be making some great recipes over the next couple of months for you guys, and I hope you guys like them. Today I'm going to make a nice roasted leg of lamb, so let's get into it. Alright guys, first we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 5 cloves of minced garlic, and don't skimp here, this is what makes the meal. Add in 2 tablespoons of Greek oregano. If you don't have Greek oregano, any oregano will do, but Greek oregano is the best. Add in a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of yellow or Dijon mustard, and the juice and zest of 2 lemons. Let's go ahead and whisk all that together and make a marinade. Take 4 or 5 potatoes cut into wedges and let's toss them in the marinade. Make sure they're well coated and we'll place them into our baking dish. And don't do what I do and forget to salt and pepper the marinade. I'm just quickly going to fix that. Alright. Now it's time for the star of the show, the leg of lamb. Let's place that in the bowl and give it a well coating of the marinade. Let's go ahead and place it on top of our potatoes and pour the extra marinade over the lamb. Go ahead and add about a cup of water to your baking dish. This is going to help steam the potatoes. Let's go ahead and cover this with foil and we're going to place into a 350-degree oven and bake for about 3 to 3.5 hours. During the last hour roasting, we're going to remove the foil and allow the potatoes and lamb to get a nice golden brown color. And here you go, a beautiful roasted leg of lamb. Now, for what we've been waiting for, let's give this a try. Some potatoes, some lamb, I squeeze a fresh lemon juice on top. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Food-Dee out.